Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer teams in EA College Football 25 on Road to Glory. So maybe you're not getting enough playing time or you're just looking to switch things up, try a new team. Well, I got you covered. First things first, you want to load into your Road to Glory mode. Once you're in, here's the deal. You got to get to the end of your season before you can transfer. Now, there are two ways you can do this. Play through every game and reach the end of the season, or you can skip ahead by simulating games. And bottom of the screen, you'll see the options to simulate. I'll let you move on to the next week without playing the games. Once you reach the end of your season, you'll see the option Enter Transfer Portal. From here, you can browse through all the teams that are interested in you. We'll see their level of interest and whether or not they plan to start you right away. So if you're not starting on your current team, maybe you want to look for a place where you can be a starter, or if your team did not perform that great, maybe you want to join a powerhouse squad. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one as always.